Thanks, Daniel. Defending All-Ireland boys and girls champions, ISSA High and the Knox College are looking forward to reclaiming their respective titles in the ISSA Under-19 volleyball competition.
It's been one of the greatest among all high schools in the tournament, specifically in volleyball, because we have a lot of quality players, a lot of sharp players, and we're known for volleyball, so this is nothing new, but we're going to go for the title again. We have, like I said, we don't round it as we are before, but we have good quality players to go for the championship again. So.
We're out here and we're ready. We're still rebuilding our team, but we know what we're capable of, and we're on our way.
Captain of the St. Jago girls team, Jada Lee Grant, is confident her team will go all the way this year.
Of course, we're coming out of the zone this year. Almost every year we're second in the zone, but it's going to change this year. We're going to come out and we're going to go straight to finals and, win.
All three schools will bow into action on Tuesday with Rockabessa taking on Central High. The girls section, Knox will be playing Oat Harbour, while St. Jago will be playing Denby High. St. George's College will have a chance to seal the ISSA Urban Era basketball title